Education girls.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today, our question is, who invented the porta potty?
So let's begin.
You might call it the loo. Maybe your preferred term is the John or the Thrum. If you're really proper, you might use a lavatory. Yes, people have come up with many amazing and creative names for the toilet.
Humans have used toilets for thousands and thousands of years, but one common version of the device is relatively modern. You've probably seen them at festivals, parades, and other events. What are we talking about? The porta potty.
Porta potties give people the option to use the toilet where it would be otherwise unavailable. When they are no longer needed at that place, they can be moved to a new place easily. They certainly are definitely and, of course, convenient. Have you ever wondered who invented them?
George Harding received the first patent for a porta potty in the 1960s. His idea went all the way back to the 1940s. Harding worked for the U.S. War Department during World War II. That's when he started building portable toilets or portable porta potties for use by shipbuilders.
Before we go anywhere else, let's start with a new segment of our videos, the question of the day. And today's first question of the day is, what are 3 places there are porta potties? Tell us in the comment section, or if that's not available for you, just email it to the business inquiries email.
Over the years, porta potties have become more advanced. Today, there are even portable restroom trailers available with running water to flush the toilet and wash your hands. However, the basic porta potty is still the most popular choice for most outdoor toilets.
How do porta potties work? If you've ever been inside one, you already know some of the basics. They contain a toilet and urinal that both drain into a tank. Inside the tank, blue dye and fragrance are present to disguise the waste and fight odor. The tank also contains chemicals designed to kill harmful bacteria and viruses.
Many of today's porta potties also feature ventilation meant to help reduce the smell of waste. They also have a translucent ceiling for lights. Some contain sanitizer dispensers to help people clean their hands before and after use of the toilet.
Have you ever wondered how porta potties are cleaned? It's really messy, but super important task. It starts with emptying the tank of waste. This is done using a vacuum pipe that transports the waste to a special truck. The truck driver then takes the waste to a treatment plant.
Next, the person tasked with cleaning will apply disinfectants and odor-reducing chemicals. They scrub the porta potty from top to bottom, making sure every single surface is clean. Finally, they refill supplies like toilet paper, paper towels, and hand sanitizer.
Have you ever used a porta potty? If so, you know how convenient they can be. Always talk with a trusted adult about how best to clean up before and after using a porta potty. And remember to leave it as neat as you can. So many people are definitely going to use it after you.
Thanks for watching!
Subscribe to this channel!
And smash that bell!
Don't forget to share this video with your friends!
And give a big thumbs up!
Bye guys!
Bye!
Problem.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today we're going to be talking about who invented the porta potty.
So let's begin.
Anika, it's not letting me move.
Oops, okay, let's start over.